like this decoration. I like this decoration. Yeah.
I just put that truck there this year. It sat out in the field in the long grass for about 10 years before I did anything with it.
That's real creativity.
I like it, yeah.
I'm telling you.
I'm going to try and get more stuff like that around here.
Wow.
People really seem to like it.
I try to imagine if it was in my garden, this one.
Never say never, you can do it.
Wow. So if you try to estimate how much did you spend to make this one?
What's that?
How much you can estimate you put in?
If you were buying all the flowers?
Not buying, you. How much did you put in if you estimate it to make this?
Oh. Well, the truck I got for a case of beer.
Mm-hmm.
And the flowers probably 2 grand, 3 grand worth of flowers there.
Mm-hmm.
And then my time is probably 4 or 5 hours, so a couple $100. About 4 grand sitting there, 5 grand.
So we are around 2,000.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Oh, it's still low.
Yeah.
Huh?
Hey?
Is it low 2,000?
Oh yeah, yeah. Like
Oh, it's more than
I bet you,
2,000.
yeah, if you had to buy all that stuff, you'd be $2,500 minimum just in the flowers.
The minimum, only the flower.
Just the flowers, yeah.
Plus the truck.
Well, the truck I got for near nothing, but
No, this truck costs a lot.
I got
Even it doesn't run.
No, it doesn't run.
It doesn't run, but the value for that, it's expensive. Because
Oh yeah, like if you wanted to go and buy an old truck like that for a piece, you'd probably spend a couple $1,000 getting one.
Not that, because behind this truck, there is a story,
Oh yeah, no, 100%.
and the story costs than the material.
Yep.
So
Oh,
I
yeah.
said, if you want to give a value for the truck, you have to sell it with the story behind.
Oh yeah, for sure. I actually reached out. We put a post up on our Facebook page, and we reached out to everybody locally to see if anybody knew who Oakley Farms was.
Yes.
But nobody reached out to say, hey, it was
Really?
our farm or anything.
Try to find it because this very.
My dad's family was local farmers, and I have uncles with
But
farms.
it's easy to find it because there is a company on it.
Yeah, they're not around anymore though. The farm doesn't exist.
Yeah.
We tried looking them up and stuff. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I have a vague idea, a rough idea of where they're from. Actually, the farm's actually not far. If you live in Canada North, it's not far from you. It's on, Richardson Side Road.
Okay.
Richardson Side Road. You know where the Thunderbird is, the sports facility.
Yes.
I can't remember the name of the road right now, but it's that next road, and it runs towards Carp that way. I think it's called Oak Ridge Lane or something like that. But anyways, that road apparently is where that farm was.
Oh.
But that truck, you can see up above above the mirror frame on the side of the truck, it's branded number 14. So
Yeah.
whoever owned it, like to have 14 trucks at that size at that time, you were a pretty big farm.
No, that's very nice, and it's give value to this farm.
Pardon me?
This truck give value to your farm.
Oh yeah, big time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because for now you see how I'm very attractive.
You're not the first one. Not the first.
Yeah, very nice. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks for stopping by.
Have a good day.